eventually, especially for small businesses. Whether you're slaying through traffic to the post office, battling the blizzard that's in your inbox, or rushing to send gifts to loyal clients, you may be starting to feel overwhelmed. With Stamps.com, it's not too late to get all of your holiday mailing and shipping under control. In just minutes, you can print your own postage and get major discounts on USPS and UPS shipping rates. Plus, compare prices and delivery times with the Switch and Save feature and seamlessly connect orders from every major shopping cart and marketplace. All you need is a computer and a printer. This holiday season, trade late nights for silent nights. Sign up at Stamps.com with promo code RADIO for a special offer with a 4-week trial, plus free postage and a free digital scale. No long-term commitments or contracts. Just go to Stamps.com, click on the microphone at the top of the page, and enter code RADIO.
Who are you? I'm you, from the future, and I just got paid. Prove it. You can't stop thinking about that embarrassing thing you did in middle school. You know what I'm talking about. Shh, okay. What do you want? I want to tell you about Dave, the banking app that makes it easy to get your future money now. Dave can get you up to $500 instantly, with no interest and no credit check. That's more money to fill your tank, tackle your to-do list, or catch up on bills. Join the millions of people who have downloaded Dave and get your future money now to help pay for expenses today. Future you will thank you. Download the Dave app from the App Store right now. That's DAVE. Sign up for an extra cash account and get up to $500 instantly. For terms and conditions, go to dave.com/legal. Instant transfer fees apply. Banking provided by Evolve. Member FDIC. Actually, I think past me should be thanking future me. You're welcome.